What's up guys, Prag here from The Ordinary Life, back to you with another video, and this time with the unboxing of UltimateEars Wonderboom. Let's get into it. You can get this from Amazon and it's not very expensive. So let's see what's on the box. It says 360 sound, waterproof, 10 hours battery life and up to 30 meters of wireless range. That's amazing. So let's get into the box. So it has a pretty fancy unboxing experience. I like that. And now, okay. So wow. So here is the speaker. It's pretty small actually. It's smaller than I expected. I think it packs amazing sound. We'll get to the speaker later. Let's see what's in the box. And USB. So you get this USB cable. So here is the speaker. Turn it on, you have to push this button. Wow. Now let's connect it to Bluetooth. Wonderboom connected. Let's test the sound now. You have the volume control buttons over here also. Let's put this aside for a second and I will get back to you with this review, and I'm literally very amazed with this experience, and I'll get back to you in a week or so. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on a video, and hit the thumbs up button if you liked it.